Hey guys, it's Marissa and welcome back. But before we even get started, I have to say thank you guys so much. We finally hit 1,000 subscribers, but we are not done yet. We are still growing, still thriving. And I just want to say I am grateful for each and every one of you guys. But enough of that. Let's get into the scoop of this hair because, baby, I look good. And if you want to look good too, then keep watching so you can get the details. I could not resist. When I got that straight headband wig, I told y'all I was coming back with a curly one just because I had to. I just had to. So this is the Afro Kinky Curly. It's not as kinky as I would have thought it would have been though for Afro Kinky. But I got it in a 16-inch, and on this headband wig, it's made more like a traditional half wig. There's no attached headband to this one like there was with the straight unit that I did from Unice as well. You have the comb in the front, one comb in the back with the adjustable strap. So I decided to leave some hair out this time. I'm not sure how it's gonna work, but since there's no attached headband, I thought why not try to leave out my hairline and see how natural it looks. So let's try it out. So I'm just gonna spray some water on my edges just to help me be able to smooth it back a little better. And all I did to my real hair was take down some braids I had. I'm gonna take my Even New York 24-hour edge tamer. If you're not new to my channel, you know this is what I always use, and I'm gonna use that to slick my hair up.
Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no flow. High fashion, like Goya, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just had a lot of pay. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Know you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe. She wants your name, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, guys, don't need promos. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty, cause I don't do facades. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you wanna do anything you want. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more.
So Unice did send me 2 headbands with this wig. It's this neutral toned floral print headband and also another floral print headband that's a bit more colorful.
Is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, bitch? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of pay. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, bitch. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, bitch. Know you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, bitch. You know I like when you right at the top, bitch. If I hit it front and back, she gon' hit the sidewalk. Then she got a husband with her, take her back to my law. Got a 5 in the morning, wild and wild. And her name ain't Megan, but she a stallion. Keep my hoes divided. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. And you know I take her so when she ride. Put her in the sneakers all Kenzo. Shawty know the drop it look like a liver. How we think it like tempo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go hard. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor, yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, D-Wagon, or the Rover.
And I'm gonna lift the hair up and show you guys what it looks like. So you could definitely do a high bun or a ponytail with this. and nobody would know. Very undetectable. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and show you guys what a bun would look like.
I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just not a lot of babe. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shit with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe.
This pretty much concludes the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with somebody else. Thank you to Unice on Amazon for sending me this unit, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.